Hi everyone, in this video I will show you power of AI and its correct use in marketing to boost your performance. If you are a blogger, content creator or YouTuber or in any other profession, you know that some tasks take hours and even days to complete. But with AI, you can complete these tasks within minutes. If you are not using AI to enhance your marketing efforts, you can't compete your competitor who is more successful with the use of AI. Why? Because he knows how to use AI to boost his marketing efforts. So here is a real question. Do you want to sit around waiting for AI to take your job, or do you want to make AI your assistant or your friend and become a marketing superhero? If you are curious to learn this, watch this complete video. You know I love sharing my knowledge and skills with you right here on my YouTube channel. I want you to learn and grow with digital marketing and AI. These are the skills of future that will empower your career. Friends, your subscription is only thing that will help me to publish more videos on these topics. Therefore, if you want me to publish more videos on digital marketing, AI, making money online, just smash the subscribe and like button. With the rise of AI, there are many AI tools that you can use to enhance your marketing skills. I used to write emails taking 1 to 2 hours, but today I can write email within 5 minutes. I could create content in hours, but today with the use of proper AI, I can repurpose my content within minutes. In fact, AI helps you to be smarter. You have unlimited opportunities to make your name in digital marketing. All you need just start from today. Now, I can't wait to show you all my stuff, that how you can take advantage of AI for your marketing efforts and much more. It will definitely change the way you think and do marketing online. Believe me, tips and tricks that I am going to share with you in this video will help you to boost your marketing skills 10x faster. Let's see what we can learn in this video. I will show you how you can use AI to power up your daily tasks such as email writing, content creation, boosting your social marketing techniques, SEO and much more. And I will show you how it boosted my daily workflow. So it does not matter what your profession is. This video is very special. In fact, it's about my special tips and tools that I personally developed for the beginners. I know you are very curious to learn. Let's get started. Look at this very simple tool. It is free AI title generator. This tool helps me to generate multiple titles for my content within seconds. For example, if I write here digital marketing with AI and click on generate titles, you see it generated 10 SEO optimized titles, and these topics include high rated keywords. What I need to show you, before this AI tool, I used to brainstorm topic ideas for my content, and it took several minutes to come up with an engaging topic. But you can see this tool generated me 10 best topics for my content. And what's nice, these AI generated titles have high engaging keywords. But if I would brainstorm myself these topic ideas, I'm sure it would take me at least 30 to 60 minutes to research the keywords for my topic. So this is a small practical example of using AI to 10x your efforts. Sometimes I also use ChatGPT for some tasks that I researched before developing new AI tools. For example, I am working to develop an AI tool to generate content for all my social media accounts. And this content for social media platforms will be generated based on my article, a short phrase, YouTube script or any other content. Let me show you this, how you can do this on ChatGPT by using a simple prompt. Let me show you this prompt. Here is the prompt that I am going to use on ChatGPT to convert my article into social media posts. For example, if I go to my blog digitcrafter.com and open any article, for example this one, and then select all of the content of my article, copy this content and then go to this prompt and paste this article below this prompt. You can see this is our article that I have pasted below this prompt. Now let's use this prompt on ChatGPT. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then go to ChatGPT, and here on ChatGPT paste my prompt along with my article and then click on this arrow, and within a few seconds it will generate all the content for my social media accounts, and it's completed. This is LinkedIn post. It mentioned all the things in my article step by step. And at the end of this LinkedIn post, it also mentioned relevant hashtags. It also generated posts for my Quora account, and similarly for Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and Facebook accounts. You see, it generated very specific posts for all my social media accounts. Now I can share these posts in no time on all my social media accounts. In fact, before AI, it took several minutes to write and share content on all my social media accounts. This is another example of leveraging AI for your daily tasks. If you need this prompt, you can find the link in the description of my video. Anyway, let me show you another example. This is my YouTube channel where I share valuable information that is based on my tested techniques and experience. Now let me show you how I try to find best titles for my YouTube videos. For this, I use AI Web Ranker. Here on AI Web Ranker, you can find YouTube title generator. Here on YouTube title generator, let's write here digital marketing with AI and then click generate titles. How I choose my YouTube video title. These are 5 titles generated by this AI tool. For example, copy this keyword and then go to YouTube and then paste my keyword here to search related content and click on this search icon. And if you are using vidIQ extension, Chrome extension, you can see here this keyword mastering digital marketing using AI has volume of 47 and medium competition, and you can also find other search terms for this keyword. Let's take another keyword. For example, this one, the future of digital marketing. Copy this keyword and go to YouTube, paste keyword here, click on search, and here you can see this keyword, the future of digital marketing, has very low competition and volume of 45. And I'm sure if I use this keyword, the future of digital marketing, for my YouTube video title, it will give me highly engaging results. So this is the power of using AI tool, which is YouTube title generator. In this way, I can find super engaging keywords for my YouTube video title. Now let's move to another example. This is my Medium account. Here on Medium, I have 1.5k followers. Every time when I publish my video on YouTube, I convert my YouTube transcript into Medium post. So to convert my YouTube transcript into Medium post, I have written a special prompt. Let me show you please. And friends, here is my premium prompt that I use to convert my YouTube transcript into Medium post. Let me show you how this prompt works. I am going to convert transcript of my any video into Medium post. For example, this video here. Open this video, copy this video link and then go to my prompt and here paste my link. And also here I have mentioned a little detail about my video. Next, copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT. Start a new chat here and then paste my prompt here and click on this arrow. You can see here it's saying I am ready to help convert your YouTube transcript into an engaging Medium post. Please provide the transcript so I can get started. Next, I shall go to my video, and if I go to under the description, here you will find show transcript button. Click on it and then select all the transcript. Press Ctrl C to copy it. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the transcript here and click on go. You see it has started to convert my YouTube transcript into Medium post. Everything that I have mentioned in my video, it will start to write here with all the details that I have provided in my video. And no friends, it has generated complete post here. And if you see at the end of this Medium post, ChatGPT is writing, this post was crafted to ensure you find value in every word, focusing on actionable advice and practical tools to boost your keyword research strategy. And what's nice, it's also mentioned link of my video and my blog naturally in this article. Of course, to publish this article on Medium, I need to edit a few details and then I shall publish this article on my Medium account. And if I start writing this Medium post from scratch, it would take me around 5 to 6 hours to write this SEO optimized post for my Medium account. Now, if you are into email marketing niche and you need to quickly 10x your email writing task, you can take advantage of AI. For example, I engage my subscribers and followers through my email newsletters. In fact, I don't have time to write emails and brainstorm ideas for my email content writing. So I follow the same method that I showed you for my Medium post. I take my YouTube script or my blog post and convert it into an engaging email. For example, look at this simple prompt that converts my YouTube video transcript into email newsletter. And let's see how this prompt works. Copy this prompt and then go to ChatGPT, start a new chat and paste the prompt here and click on go. Now ChatGPT is asking us to share our video transcript. Again, I shall go to my video and copy my transcript, go to ChatGPT and paste my transcript here. Click on go. And here you can see it converted our video transcript into an engaging email. So friends, in this way, I share valuable information that I discuss in my YouTube videos and on my blog with my subscribers and followers through my newsletter. And this is the example that how I use email marketing, how I use to write emails quickly within seconds. I repurpose my YouTube and my blog post into my newsletter. And in this way, you will have a bunch of time to write email newsletters. Not only email newsletters, you can also change this prompt into other powerful ChatGPT prompts. Now, if you are a developer and have some prompting skills, you can generate codes in minutes and convert these codes, these scripts into powerful web apps. Let me show you an example. This app here, this is a simple word counter. And what it does, if I write here a simple sentence, this is just a test and click on count words. It counted 5 words and 19 characters. And I will show you how you can write a simple PHP script by using ChatGPT. This is a simple prompt that will generate script for me to count words and characters. So I shall copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT, start a new chat and paste the prompt here and click on go. And here the magic begins. So this is our PHP code. And if you need to test this code, copy this code and go to online any PHP tester. For example, this phptester.net. Paste your script here and then click to test your PHP code. You can see here it resulted word count 13 and character count 100. And here is the input text that we used. If I change this text here, for example, this is just a test and click on again this click to test your PHP script. And friends, you can see here it resulted with 5 word counts and 30 character counts. So friend, you can see here that by using this simple prompt, ChatGPT generated us PHP script that counts words and characters. And this is the power of AI by using prompting skills. I think you have the idea how to use AI for marketing and content creation for your daily tasks. Only you need to use powerful AI tools and prompts to make your efforts 10x faster. If you want to know how you can use AI for your search engine optimization, you can check this video. This video explains about writing SEO content plans for your articles or social content and save you a lot of time when writing SEO content plan. So friends, these are a few examples how I use AI for my daily tasks. And by following these examples, you can boost your work 10x faster with the use of AI. But you must know proper prompts to get the best results out of AI. Friends, if you need any assistance or you need any special prompts for your profession, just comment below in this video. I shall be more than happy to share with you my prompts. For more tips and tricks on digital marketing, AI and making money online, keep watching this channel and please don't forget to subscribe it. Take care and see you in next video. Bye.